Hey everyone, it's Messiah29 again, and today I'm going to be doing another unboxing, and this time of the Bose 700 noise canceling headphones from a website I found called Unclaimed Baggage, just to see if it's actually legit. And basically what it does is this company is based in Alabama, and it buys suitcases from the airport for people who actually, did not claim their baggage. So with that being said, let's see what these headphones look like. Now, I did pay $129 for these headphones, and obviously I know the ear cups are probably going to look pretty beat up. Oh, it comes in a case. I did not expect a case. That's actually not bad. Let's put this to the side over here. Wow. Wow. Okay. This is what it looks like. I thought the ear cups were gonna be beat up like I saw in the picture, but it's actually not bad. I'm actually kind of upset because I actually bought some new ear cups from another website, but I'm definitely going to desanitize this. Let me tell you, this is pretty sturdy. Decent build quality. RL, I don't know what that stands for. What, right, left? I don't know. And then it also comes with, wow. It also comes with the charger and USB-C charging cable. Again, I bought these for $129. The retail on these, they go for $379, guys. That's crazy. Yeah, so that's my unboxing of the 700s. However, I am going to show you, just in case they were to come extra beat up, I bought a pair of new earmuffs. So, from this company called WC, Wicked Cushions. And as you can see, it comes with the padding and everything. Let's put that to the side over there. And it comes with the left-right stickers for the ear cups. And another padding. So I'm going to use these because I don't trust whoever left their headphones at the airport, what they probably have in their heads. So I'm just gonna desanitize this and yeah, get my noise canceling sessions on. So if you like my video, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Again, I did pick these up, not that they're paying me, from this website called, again, Unclaimed Baggage. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. This is a steal. This is a steal. Wow. Peace.